Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to get PandaPro on Foodpanda for free. Now if you want to get PandaPro on Foodpanda for free, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to do so, make sure that you have installed the Foodpanda app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your. Now if you are a member of Foodpanda, then you may get up to 20% off on the food orders, groceries, or the other products available on the Foodpanda. So click on the option of Foodpanda to open it, and you may also get the delivery. You may also get the option of free delivery, exclusive deals and promotions on it. Now to get it for free, you need to simply open the Foodpanda perks, or you may go on the option of accounts, and here you need to click on the option of subscribe to PandaPro, which is the new option, and from here you'll see the various options like this. So if you want to enjoy it for free, you can't simply do it because you need to pay a certain amount of price for it. To enjoy it for free, you may also simply install the mod version on Android. So I can show you the step cut. It is against the community. It is the community violence to do all of it. But you may, if you want to enjoy it for free, then you may simply install the mod version on Android device. Simply you need to pay a certain price for a month or for a year to use the PandaPro on a device. So that's it. That's how you can get PandaPro for free on a device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.